ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹੇ ਤੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਾਂ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਭਰਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੱਫੀਆਂ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਸੈਲਫੀਆਂ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਯਾਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
In the heart of Punjab, where golden fields sway with the wind and history whispers through the soil, lies a passage that transcends borders, politics, and divisions. This is the Kartarpur Corridor in Pakistan, one of the most sacred sites for millions of Sikhs worldwide. The Kartarpur Corridor connects Dera Baba Nanak in India to Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Kartarpur, Pakistan. Just 4.7 kilometers separate the two, but for decades, this short distance felt like 1,000 miles for Sikh devotees longing.
करतारपुर आपका इधर रह गया, ये उनका काबे की हैसियत रखता है। जगह तो वहीं रही, लोग चले गए और लोग घबरा गए कि हमारा घर कहाँ गया।
To visit their holy site. Kartarpur holds a deep spiritual significance. It was here, over 500 years ago, that Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, spent the last 18 years of his life. He tilled the land, preached harmony, and built a community based on equality and compassion. The Gurdwara Darbar Sahib, standing tall today, marks the place of his final resting. The Gurdwara itself is a masterpiece, gleaming white domes against the blue sky, surrounded by a peaceful courtyard.
बहुत जल्दी चाह सी या तो जिको अपना राह खोलता ना ते सानू इन्नी हद्दों वध खुशी साडे घरे ब्याह सी ब्याह छड्ड के आई।
It is not just a place of worship, but a living memory of Guru Nanak's message of love, service, and unity. For decades, Indian Sikhs could only glimpse Kartarpur Sahib from across the border, through binoculars set up at Dera Baba Nanak. The yearning was intense. Then in November 2019, history changed. Pakistan inaugurated the Kartarpur Corridor, granting visa-free access to pilgrims from India. For the first time in 72 years, families, devotees, and travelers could cross over freely to visit this sacred land. The corridor is not just a physical passage, it is an emotional bridge. Pilgrims describe the moment they step foot here as overwhelming, bringing tears of joy and a sense of fulfillment. It is a reminder that faith knows no boundaries.
ਫਿਰੋਜ਼ਪੁਰੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰੀ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਆ ਗਏ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਵਾਲੇ ਨੇ
Inside the Gurdwara, the tradition of Landbar continues, where free meals are served to all, regardless of caste, creed, or nationality. Volunteers work hand in hand, embodying the Sikh principle of seva, or selfless service. The surroundings add to the serenity. The lush green fields of Punjab, the calm flow of the Ravi River, and the sound of prayers rising in the air. It is a place where time seems to stand still. The Kartarpur Corridor is more than a religious site. It is a symbol of hope, peace, and the possibility of unity in a divided world. As pilgrims walk back across the border, they carry with them not just blessings, but the dream of a future where faith and humanity rise above barriers. Kartarpur, where history, spirituality, and humanity converge. A corridor not just of land, but of the soul,